Welcome back to another video. I know I've been laxing, but hey, y'all going through the same thing I am. It's cold outside, bro. It's cold. But hey, I'm gonna say tonight's video because it's nighttime. I'm inside, and the reason for this video is Mikey been chewing my seeds. My fault. Honestly, my fault. Look at that. I don't know what seeds is in there, but if you see, he been eating. My bag been outside on the patio, and I bought these bottles to take them out into the bottles. But I said, nah, I'm gonna leave them original packaging till spring hit when I start planting. Well, Mikey don't force my hand. So now I gotta bottle them. What we're looking at here is callaloo spinach. Look it up, callaloo. All right, so the spinach we have grown in the Caribbean. Okay, my mom brought me this. She also brought me these. Names I put on the bag, don't know, because they look like papaya seeds. I'm gonna put like 5 of them in some dirt, see what happens. But today's video is just gonna be cleaning this mess up and actually getting seeds from the packages that I ripped into these bottles that I actually bought for that reason. So they came with labels on them already, so I just gotta write on what's in there, put them in there, and I learned my lesson. From now on, they stay inside. I can keep an eye on them. So not even in the greenhouse, staying inside. So hopefully it's a short video, but let's get to it. Bottle them, and I can separate what I'm gonna what do you call it? Put a little dirt thing, you know, germinate, plant. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. Guys, this is some tedious stuff. I'm not joking. Oh my gosh. I just try not to spill anything. Trying to figure out, write stuff down as I go. It's crazy. I'm telling you, it's It's mostly the Ziploc bags that he got into, or she. So I'm just, anything that's in a Ziploc bag, I'm gonna put in a bottle, and yeah, I should have enough. But this, I'm gonna have to figure out a plan for these. That's just dumped in the bottom of this bag. I don't know what is what. Yeah. Make a little progress, but yeah. I'm gonna figure out something, but by the time I'm done. All right, inventory time. Let's see what our damage is. So we can just move off the counter over here and right into the container right here. Quick, easy. Okay, I have here some chamomile, but as you can see, these seeds are real tiny. Look at how much is in this bag. So they are staying in this bag till I'm ready. Now, keep on holding. It's gonna go fast. Spearmint. All right. Iris, this is for my daughter to plant. She loves irises. Basil. Basket of gold, alyssum. Don't know. We gotta figure out what this is. I need to mark the top of this with a question mark so I know to plant a few and figure out what it is. Cucumber, parsley. I know you guys can't really see what's written on these, but don't want to waste your time. Citronella, Mexican mint. There's 2 Ziploc bags in here, and there's not a lot of seeds, so I chose to just leave them in the bags, put them in one bottle. Sorrel, it's a type of hibiscus plant. If you guys familiar, makes good drink. Pigeon peas, if you don't know what that is, it's from the islands. Look it up. Hyssop, it's great making tea. Hollyhock mix, to the front yard, whenever I do get them to germinate. Lemon balm, tea. Peony tree. You're gonna have to do the research on that one. I'm gonna tell you, trust me, go research this one. Pak choy, Korean mint, tea, golden acre cabbage, rainbow bell pepper, variety, kale, so dwarf blue, and this is the callaloo spinach from Antigua and other Caribbean islands. We call it callaloo. So that was from home. Now, the random bottle. I'm gonna stop at Lowe's tomorrow and get 2 seeding trays and just sprinkle this across, put some seeding cover over it, the hay, and see what comes up at work. Oh, forgot one. Butternut squash. Let me go ahead and bottle this one real quick. Add it to the set. So, still in the packages, I have lavender, cantaloupe, and these are what Mikey didn't get to. I call him Mikey, the mouse. You know, give it to Mikey. Mikey eats anything. Wildflower mix, that's for the front yard. Broccoli. Have my pumpkin for later in the year. Whole set. Golden honey, watermelon, cabbage, celery, cucumbers. Y'all know how last year went wild. Kale, onion, more broccoli. So I'm gonna put this one with this one. Cabbage, hold up. Cabbage, chili. I'm gonna put them together anyway. Carrot, beet. Beet should have been growing right now, but hey. Rosemary. Cauliflower. Let me zoom out. Shot too close. Yeah. Cauliflower. Carrots. beets again, and onion. This should have been grown also, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the cold scared me away. I was like, nah. And I got so much going on with them race boxes, so I'm just gonna put this on top, chamomile, and these are supposed to be some grass seeds I'm gonna try out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there. See, I'm not gonna say my hand was forced to do this. I kind of brought it on myself because I wasn't paying attention like I should. So, my fault. I had to, I bought these bottles like a month ago. I think right before Christmas. And this has been sitting at work. And I brought them home, then they'd be sitting in the garage. And I said, you know what, I see Salty Dog, you know, still doing his thing. Stella organized her stuff. So, you know what, you know, and can't remember her name, but in her video, she always starts with shalom, shalom, you know, shalom to you too. She's doing her stuff in the house, and I'm like, I'm wasting time. Let me go ahead and get my stuff together. Go grab my bags, seeds, and stuff start falling out. So, but I want to share something with y'all. This is my plan for this coming year, and it will stay the plan besides just moving crops around, you know, as time goes by. So I have the seeds, I have a plan, I'm gonna stick to it. Now, last year I got distracted with the pool, and it's not really distracted, but had to be done. Them lights are bright as hell. Had to be done. So this year, concrete pad for garage, mainly the walkway from the pool around to the garden area. Pretty much it. Oh, and the gate posts. I gotta put the bricks up, which as soon as we get our last frost, I'm gonna jump back into that. But hey, this was supposed to be so long, but y'all saw me working. I'm ready. I'm getting ready. All right, I'm getting ready. So, happy gardening. Happy planting. Let's get ready for spring, y'all. Oh, the wife picked these up, and we have this thing where if it's yours, it's yours. Okay, do something with it. I'm about to find out. So, appreciate y'all. Let me go edit this and get it ready for Monday. Because my videos every Monday. Appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. And hey, catch y'all in the next video.